بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وبعد. أهلا وسهلا إلى الدرس السادس من دروس العربية. Welcome to lesson 6 of the Arabic lessons, book 2. In this lesson, inshallah, we're going to cover 10 concepts. One of them we already know, which is the conjugation of the verb dhahaba, which we know already, alhamdulillah. And then the other 9, most of them are new. So I'll start with the most important and the most in-depth one. So it's dhanna. I don't know if I taught you this verb already. Dhanna yadhunnu. And it means to think. To think. Like, I think I left my wallet at home. I think today is the day when I have a doctor's appointment. I think. Meaning you're not sure, you're not 100% sure. Now this word doesn't mean to think about something. Like if you say, I'm thinking about ice cream, I'm thinking about whatever it is, something that you like, I'm thinking about. You don't use this verb, you don't use dhanna yadhunnu. There's another verb which you use, which is fakkara yufakkiru, and we're not going to learn that now. But dhanna yadhunnu means to think, meaning you're not sure. You think such and such is the case. You think, you're not sure. So the conjugation is just like hajja yahujju, which we officially learned and we conjugated. Hajja yahujju. So if we had to conjugate this will be the first step. You should be able to do this. Dhanantu, dhanantu, dhananta, dhananti, dhanna, okay, and dhannat, and dhannat. Let me just write it out. Dhananta, dhananti, dhanna, and dhannat. Okay, now let's do the plural. Dhananna, dhananna. So notice there's a shadda on the noon there. Why? Because it's dhananna. If you had to break this apart, it would be dhanan and then na, dhananna. But this here constitutes a what? A shadda. Okay, the first one is sukun, the second one is a haraka. So we have the shadda there. Nahnu dhananna. Antum dhanantum. Dhanantum. Hum, or it should be actually antunna. Dhanantunna. Dhanantunna. Hum dhannu. Dhannu. And hunna dhananna. So dhananna. Hunna dhananna. Just like dhananna, dhananna. Same concept as I explained over here. In the mudari', now remember we normally skip the dual form. We skip the dual form. Now let's go to the mudari', right? Ana adhunnu. Ana adhunnu. Anta tadhunnu. Antunna, anti tadhunnina. Tadhunneen is a kasra. Tadhunnina. Anti tadhunnina. Huwa yadhunnu. And hiya tadhunnu. Nahnu nadhunnu. Antum tadhunnuna. أنتن تظنن 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 تظنن. Okay, تظنن. And again, this is actually like تظنن. Okay, this is the idgham. Idgham meaning the two noons are joined together, and this is fakkul idgham, they're separated. Okay, تظنن. But again, a sukoon here, and then a vowel, this becomes mushaddad. تظنن. It's going to be, here we have hum yadhunnuna. Hum yadhunnuna and hunna yadhnunna. Just like this, but it's a ya. Yadhnunna. Okay, that's a complete conjugation. Except for the dua, which we said is not used that often, then we'll skip it. So now, what is so special about this verb? Well, we know it's muda'af, right? Just like hajja, hujju. The special thing about this verb is that it takes an after it. I think that. We'll explain it in a little bit. First, let me give you a sentence without dhanna. Let's say, for instance, you want to say that Hamid is sick. Hamidun maridun. Hamidun maridun. Hamid is sick. That's a statement. You're saying it because you know he's sick. Hamidun maridun, mubtada khabar. But for instance, sometimes you're not sure. So you're saying, I think that Hamid is sick. Now comes the verb, adhunnu. Adhunnu. Okay, and this is how it works. I'm going to put it in red. Let's put it in black and vowels in red. Okay. Adhunnu anna hamidan maridun. I think that Hamid is marid. So you're seeing a few new things here. You're seeing this changing. You saw adhunnu, which we just introduced, and we see anna. So what is anna about? Anna here, and anna does not have a direct translation, but here we're going to translate it as that. I think that Hamid is sick. This is used to join these two concepts, these two sentences here. Adhunnu, I think Hamid is sick. I think that Hamid is sick. Adhunnu anna. And we'll see more examples of this anna later on. But here, it's important for us to recognize that this is from the akhawat of inna. Akhawat of inna. Sisters of inna. And we saw inna already at the beginning of this book. Right? Inna wa akhawatuha. Inna darsa sahlun. Inna al-qalama maksurun. And so on. So what happens when you put inna? Inna takes a ism inna. Ism inna, which was formerly the mubtada of the sentence. So like Hamid was the mubtada, Hamid. So when anna comes in front of it, anna is the exact same thing as inna, except it takes a fatha on the hamza. Right? It's gonna make this ism anna. So ism anna would be hamidan. أظن أن حامدا مريض. أظن أن حامدا مريض. I think that Hamid is marid. Another question I heard from some of my students is that they wanted to know if you can take this word out and say ذلك, which translates as that, like the ismul ishara, هذا, هذه, ذلك, تلك, and so on. Could we have used it? No, you cannot use it. Okay, this is used after the verb, after a verb. Okay, this is not the ismul ishara. This is not the pointing word that. In book 1 we learned the asma'ul ishara, the demonstrative pronouns, right? Like when you point at something, this, that, those. Okay, so هذا, هذه, ذلك, تلك, هؤلاء, these, and أولئك. But anna is not the same. Anna is used after a verb, and it translates in this case as that. Okay. If you think about English also, you will see that doesn't always translate or give the meaning of a pointing, or you're pointing at something. You say, I want that pen. Okay, that is pointing. Or if you say, I think that I forgot my book. The word that there is not really the same meaning as that pen over there. It's a little bit different. So know that anna, even though we're translating it as that, it doesn't really mean the same as ذلك and tilka. It's totally different. This comes after a verb. أظن أن حامدا مريض. Okay, let's do another example. So the original sentence is going to be, and I had some nice examples set up here. I want to follow them, inshallah. We have a sentence such as, okay, Al-Imamu Jadidun. These sentences are from the book actually. Al-Imamu Jadidun. You go to the masjid and you see that there's a new imam. I mean, sometimes good, sometimes bad, right? Al-Imamu Jadidun. Mubtada khabar. So now you go into the masjid and you're not sure. Maybe you haven't been here for a while. So you say, I think that the imam is new. Okay? So how do you say that? أظن أن, again, insist of inna. أظن أن, what changes? Al-Imam is going to take a fatha. It's the ism أن. أظن أن الإمام جديد. I think that the imam is new. Now you can make this into past tense. ظننت أن الإمام جديد. I thought that the imam was new. ظننت أن حامدا مريض. I thought that Hamid was sick. You conjugate أظن whichever way you want to. Okay. Another example. Okay. Fatima. Fatimatu غائبة. Fatimatu غائبة. Fatima is absent. So you think she's absent. Maybe you're waiting to see if she's going to come to class. She didn't come to class. It's running late. So you say, I think that Fatima is absent. So أظن أن Fatima, what's going to happen? أن فاطمة غائبة. أظن أن فاطمة غائبة. Another example, I'm going to put it on top. Okay. هي ذهبت إلى مكة. هي ذهبت إلى مكة. Remember, Mecca is mamnu min as-sarf, so it took fatha. هي ذهبت إلى مكة. She went to Mecca. Who is she? Someone. Maybe it's Fatima again. هي ذهبت إلى مكة. So you want to say, I think that she went to Mecca. So what are we going to do? Pull out أظن. Okay, because I think. أظن. So we know we add anna, right? Anna. So think back to lesson 1, right? What do we do if we have anna and here? Or in our case, we learn inna. What do we do if we have inna and here? You should remember this. It becomes innaha. It becomes inna annaha. So أظن أنها ذهبت إلى مكة. I think that she went to Mecca. أظن أنها ذهبت إلى مكة. Okay, and you do this with the other pronouns as well. With the other pronouns as well. Okay, last example. And this is from the book as well. Put it to the side. How do you tell? Let me erase one of them. So we have space. Put it right here. So you say anta. I think we're going to learn a new word here. Anta mut'ab. Mut'abun. Anta mut'ab. Mut'abun means tired. Tired. Mut'ab, tired. We learned the word ta'ban. Ta'ban, which means tired as well. So mut'ab is similar. Mut'abun means tired. Different way of saying it. But it's the same root letters. Ta, ain, ba. Ta'ab, which is tiredness. Anta mut'ab. You're tired. So you want to say, I think that you're tired. You're going to say, adhunnu, the verb. Okay. Anna. Okay, what happens with the anna and anta? It becomes annaka. Adhunnu annaka. Annaka mut'abun. I think that you're tired. Adhunnu annaka mut'abun. And with that, we've completed that concept. I hope you understand it, inshallah, and we'll see examples of it and read it in the lesson, inshallah.